We all know friendships feel good, right? But what if I told you there's some powerful hidden science behind them, especially for women? Today, we are going way beyond just the feelings to uncover the incredible, research backed power of female friendships. So, let me ask you this. When you think about your friends, do you kind of file that under social life? A source of fun, laughter, a shoulder to cry on. And of course, it's all of those things. But what if there's something much deeper going on beneath the surface? Something absolutely crucial for our well-being. Because this isn't just a hunch, it's a scientific fact. We have decades of research now that's confirmed that for women, these connections, they're not just some pleasant social extras. Nope. They are a fundamental pillar of both your mental health and your physical health. All right, so let's start with one of the biggest benefits, and one you can feel right away. How friendship literally acts as a potent biological antidote to stress. You've definitely heard of the classic fight or flight response, right? Stress hits and you either get ready to confront it or you run away. But it turns out researchers have uncovered this fascinating alternative, one that's especially strong in women. It's called tend and befriend. So instead of running or fighting, the instinct is to protect your kids, that's the tend, and to seek out your social group for mutual defense, that's the befriend. And a chemical that's driving all this is incredible. It's oxytocin. You might have heard it called the bonding hormone or the cuddle hormone. Your brain releases it when you connect with your friends, and what it does is it actively fights back against the stress hormone cortisol, making you feel calm and trusting. This effect is actually amplified by female hormones like estrogen, making it an especially powerful way for women to find that sense of peace through friendship. And the results of that oxytocin boost? They are profound. Women with strong social circles consistently show lower rates of anxiety and are way less likely to suffer from depression. You know that deep feeling of calm you get after a long, soul-bearing talk with a good friend? That is not just in your head. That's your biology working exactly the way it's supposed to. Pretty cool, huh? But the benefits go way beyond our minds. They actually go deep into our physical bodies, acting like a genuine shield for our long-term health. I mean, this slide just lays it all out so clearly. The contrast is just, wow. It's undeniable. On one side, you have social isolation, which is linked to a whole cascade of serious physical problems. We're talking chronic inflammation, heart disease. But on the other side, strong social support is directly tied to a more robust immune system, lower blood pressure, and just better resilience overall. The two paths could not be more different. So the crucial point here is this. It all adds up to a longer, healthier life. A really landmark study confirmed that women with active, supportive friendships have a significantly higher survival rate than their peers who are more isolated. These connections, they aren't just nice-to-haves. They are a powerful predictor of your longevity. Okay, so beyond stress relief and physical health, these friendships are also a unique kind of training ground. Think of it like a safe space where we develop crucial life skills and really foster personal growth. And think about how this works. It all starts with sharing experiences, right? The good, the bad, the ugly. That whole process naturally builds our empathy as we learn to see the world from someone else's point of view. And feeling truly seen and supported, that boosts our confidence, which then gives us the courage to tackle new challenges and improve our skills. It's this powerful, self-reinforcing cycle of growth. And the skills we gain are so incredibly practical. Through these relationships, we learn to talk through complex problems, which leads to better decisions. We get to practice managing our emotions in a totally supportive environment. We even learn how to handle disagreements and resolve conflicts in a healthy way. I mean, these aren't small things. They are literally the building blocks of a capable, resilient life. So when we put all of this evidence together, it becomes really clear that we need to totally reframe how we think about our friendships. They are not a luxury item you just fit in when you have a spare moment. They are a lifelong investment in your own well-being. And this, right here, is really the heart of it. The science is telling us we should treat nurturing our friendships with the same priority we give to eating well and getting exercise. Making time for a friend isn't just a nice thing to do. It's a form of self-care with profound, scientifically proven benefits for your mind and your body. I want to leave you with this final thought. It's a quote from the research that I think just sums it all up perfectly. It reminds us that these special bonds are truly a dual force in our lives. They enrich our journey as companions while actively working to protect our health. So, what's one small way you can invest in a friendship today?